this video, I'll show you how to merge two images using the Easy Reflections app in Canva. Let's use these two images as an example. Click on one of the images, go to the app section and search for Easy Reflections. Open the app and click Create Reflection. Under Position, select Right. Set opacity to 100. Adjust the offset slider to control the reflection's distance. Click Add to Design. With the reflected image selected, go to the Flip option and choose Flip Horizontal. Delete the original image. Return to the Easy Reflections app and click on the second image. Click Create Reflection. Under Position, select Left. Set opacity to 100. Adjust the offset slider as needed. Click Add to Design. Go to the Flip option and choose Flip Horizontal. Now, reposition and resize both images to align them perfectly. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.